Can you name these 5 birds just from their missing letters? Only genius can guess the last one. First one. Parrot. Second one. Sparrow. Third one. Owl. Do not miss the fun fact and surprise game at the end. Fourth one. Penguin. Last one.
Oh no!
Woodpecker. Like and subscribe the video if you are enjoying it. Share this quiz and don't forget to tell me your score in comments. Fun fact: did you know the ostrich egg is so hard that a human can stand on it without breaking it? Comment if you stop the car perfectly.